Machini kendo nyako Ramogi wadhi nyime jokanyo mawuok e sekta mar somo jiwo mondo omak somo mar CBC matek kendo gimed jiwo pok mar nyithindo matindo. Magi nenore nyasi mar rwako nyithind skul ariyo mane yombo e pacho kae piem mar wende kod goro manotimore gwenge mag Nyeri. Ogol kwayo ne jonyuol ni kik mi nyithindgi tije mang'eny e kinde molor skulni. Nyasi no bagi skul ma timiza Nyari Bahari Chache kaonti ma Kisii.
I thank for this opportunity for talking because I proceeded to nationals and I want to see President Ruto. Please, President, allow me to see you.
Our school emerged to be the best, taking position 1 in the national, especially in national competition is not easy, and therefore we are so happy, we are excited today, even our parents are very happy.
I'm happy parent to say that even my girl has a kitchen garden at home, which they were told by their teacher to prepare, and so I think my girl is headed to the right direction.
Recently they went for music festival that occurred in Nyeri, and 2 of them emerged amongst the top in the country. As a ministry, we are encouraging CBC implementation, and we can see CBC being implemented in this school, and as a sub-county we are there to support all our schools, both public and private, so that most of our young ones can come up well nurtured and their talent and character can be molded.
We are a fully CPC school, completely and absolutely CPC, which is a new system and a good system, and we are here to nurture talents for these young ones and the skills, which is very important and is enshrined in the CPC framework.
Johala chiro ma Sunrise Trading Center